In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Google Sheets at once. If you need to organize different sets of information inside one spreadsheet file, creating multiple sheets is one of the easiest ways to keep everything neat and accessible. This is especially helpful when you want separate tabs for different months, projects, teams, or categories without having to create a brand new file every time. To get started, go to your Google Sheet, open the spreadsheet where you want to add more sheets. Once you're inside the file, take a quick look at the bottom of the screen. That's where Google Sheets displays the tabs for each sheet in the workbook. If you already have one sheet open, that's your starting point. Next, look to the very bottom left corner and find the plus icon. This is the Add Sheet button. When you click that icon, Google Sheets instantly creates a new sheet tab within the same file. You'll usually see it appear right away at the bottom alongside your existing sheet. This makes it easy to move between sections without leaving the document. Now, if you want multiple sheets, simply click that same plus icon again. Keep clicking it until you have the number of sheets you need. Each click adds another sheet, so you can build out your workbook in just a few seconds. This is a quick and practical way to prepare a file for larger workflows, especially if you already know how many sections you'll need before you begin entering data. As you do this, pay attention to the tabs appearing at the bottom. Google Sheets will keep adding them in order, making it easier to tell that each new sheet has been created successfully. If you're setting up a workbook for a recurring task, creating all your sheets in advance can save time later and help you stay organized from the start. One useful tip is to pause for a moment after creating your sheets and review how many tabs you've added. That way you can make sure you've created enough before moving on to your work. It's a simple habit, but it can help prevent backtracking later. And that's really all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet, click the plus icon in the bottom left, and keep clicking until you have all the sheets you need. It's a fast, beginner-friendly way to set up multiple tabs in one spreadsheet and keep your information better organized.